How to buy MEMX token. So this token came under the symbol of MMX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefit. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. And this token trades in number 17 in the Solana section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, click here to copy the token address, and I suggest you to open your fund to wallet. For that, now here click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token. Now select the provider by clicking the pricing and click on provider and select the Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MMX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.